Good morning, students. How are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. That's great. Today, we are going to learn about describing people. Please look at the slide. Our learning objectives today are understanding describing people, learning physical appearance, learning personality traits. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe a person using simple English. Now, what does describing people mean? Nah, describing people means giving information about someone's appearance and personality. For example, my friend is tall and friendly. From this sentence, we know that the person is tall and has a friendly personality. There are two things we usually describe. First, physical appearance. Physical appearance means how a person looks. Example are tall, short, thin, fat, long hair, short hair. Nah, for example, my brother is tall. This sentence describes physical appearance. Second, personality. Personality means a person character or behavior. Example are kind, friendly, honest, smart, helpful. For example, my sister is kind and helpful. This sentence describes personality. Now, let's look at a complete example. My best friend is Rina. She is tall and beautiful. She has long black hair. She is friendly, kind, and smart. She always have her friends. This paragraph describes both physical appearance and personality. So, when we describe people, we can talk about their appearance and their character. Now let's practice. Think about one person in your family. Can you describe that person? Yes, sir. My mother is kind and hardworking. Excellent. That is a good example of describing personality. Now, let's move to the question session. Do you have any questions? Excuse me, sir. Why do we need to learn describing people? Thank you for the question. We need to learn describing people because it helps us communicate clearly. For example, if someone asks about your best friend, you can explain what he or she looks like and what kind of person he or she is. This makes communication easier and more effective. Sure. What is the difference between physical appearance and personality? That's a very good question. Physical appearance is how someone looks. For example, tall, short, thin. Personality is how someone behaves. For example, kind, friendly, honest. So, physical appearance is about the body and face, while personality is about character. Excellent questions. Before we finish, let's review today's lesson. Today, we learned about describing people. We learned two important parts. One, physical appearance. Two, personality. Physical appearance describes how a person looks. Personality describe how a person behaves. I hope you understand today's lesson. Thank you for the attention. See you the next meeting. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.